Hello, welcome to Communication 400, Communication Research Methods. I'm Professor Brian Heisterkamp. Some of you might be asking, why should you take a research methods course? And the reason many of you are here is because this is a required course, but there's some other reasons why this is a good course for you to take. One is it will help improve your ability to locate, critique, and use academic materials. So one of the things you'll be doing in this class is writing a research proposal, and so you'll need to be able to, as you've done in other courses, locate academic articles, critique those, determine which are the most appropriate for you to use in your research proposal. This course will help improve your writing skill, which is, we write every day, and so it's important to improve your skill, and this class will help you do that. This will also help improve your analytic skills, and so we're all inundated with all sorts of data every day, whether it's from social media or the news or other sources on the web where you might consume different information, and so this class will help you improve your analysis and critique of that. And this class does have some career applications, so many of you, whether it's in public relations or media studies or in human and organizational communication, might be asked to conduct surveys or interviews or focus groups for your employer, and so this class will help you develop the skills to be able to do that. So there's several different learning outcomes associated with this course, and these are also listed in the syllabus, but I'll just highlight a couple. One is that you'll learn the different research terminology. So what's a variable, what is a survey, what's an experiment. We'll talk about those different concepts. We'll look at different research traditions, so qualitative and quantitative research, more rhetorical and critical approaches, and so this course will help you understand those different approaches. What are the steps in the research process? We'll talk about that. How would you develop a research design? What are the ethical and methodological implications of your research design? So each of these are different outcomes that by the end of the course we will address. And of course, identify characteristics of different research designs relevant to communication studies. Some of you are probably familiar with the program objectives that we have, and you have likely heard of COMM 499, the senior project course. And one of the things that you'll do in that course is look at your different assignments that you've completed throughout the program and try to identify which assignments have met particular goals and objectives. And so there are 3 goals that we have for all undergraduate students in the department, and this course specifically addresses goal 1 and goal 3. And so with the research paper, for example, that you'll be doing, you could show that you understood the functions of theory and its relationship to method, or you might identify ethical issues related to communication, and that could come up in the paper the research proposal that you decide to do. So the important thing to remember here is to save your graded paper at the end of the term, save the syllabus for the course so that you're ready to go when you have COMM 499, the senior project. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I earned my Bachelor of Science degree in Management from Arizona State University, my MA in Communication Studies from San Diego State, and then my PhD from Arizona State. I am originally from the Black Hills of South Dakota. I'm maybe the first person that you've known from South Dakota. So the Black Hills, in case you don't know, is the home of Mount Rushmore and the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, where over 100,000 motorcyclists come to the state. It's actually more than the population of the state itself who come for the motorcycle rally. So I hope you enjoy the course. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you have any questions. You can email me if you have questions that just involve you. But if they're questions that are of a general nature, there's a class questions discussion board that you can use. So if you have questions about due dates or quizzes or questions about the paper, post them to that class discussion questions so that all the students can benefit from the question and answer that on that discussion board. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you during this course.